everyone, and welcome to Experimenting with Pastels, creating a smooth and stipple sphere. As always, when introducing a new media, we like to start with a value scale. I recommend choosing a color that matches your reference photo. In my case, I'm doing a strawberry, so I will be completing this assignment using red. What colors you choose will depend on your reference photo. So again, you may not do red for yours. You want to create a smooth transition of values from dark to medium to light using shades and tints. Remember, shades are colors mixed with black, tints are colors mixed with white. I like to start by laying down kind of a base layer and then blending everything together. Notice how every once in a while I'm taking my sketchbook and tapping it on the table. This is a great way to get rid of loose pastels or loose pastel dust. Be mindful, this will be a little bit messy, and you don't want to breathe in any of that dust. So every once in a while, be sure to tap that sketchbook. You don't want to blow it everywhere. Tap the sketchbook on your To create that smooth transition of values, you may have to go back and add a little bit more pastel. Pastel is about a push me pull you between blending and adding. Keep going back and forth until you have 9 different values. I repeat, 9 values. This includes black and white. Okay, let's get started on our sphere. Start by sketching the base color, or starting by sketching the sphere itself in your base color. Add in your core shadow in a crescent shape. Now remember, your blending stump is an option. You can use your blending stump to blend colors together, but oftentimes it will leave things streaky. So I prefer to use my finger for large areas and my blending stump for small areas. Just like we did for our value scale, you want to start by blocking out the larger colors first. Once you've done this, blend everything together to create a smooth transition of values. Add your darks back in, or add your shadows back in, and brighten up those highlights. Don't forget those cast shadows. I'm going to be using a shade to create my cast shadow. Remember, a shade is a combination of a color and black. So I'm going to mix these two together to create that darker area. Okay, let's move on to our second sphere. So again, with the stippling, the process is the same. Start by adding in your shadows, then mid-tone, and then highlight. But notice how for this, I'm not blending. I'm using tiny hatching marks to create texture and blend the colors together. Stippling is a great way to create texture. It's important to use a variety of different techniques when you do a pastel. This will add interest to the viewer. Watch as I complete the stippling takes just a little bit more time than the blending. So I'm going to speed this up as you watch me finish the stippling sphere. Alright, now I've completed my blended sphere, my stippling sphere, and my 9-step value scale. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And good luck as you experiment with this new media.